Chapter 3. What are the other causes for global warming? As mentioned earlier, greenhouse gas is the major cause of the global warming. Carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide are some of the greenhouse gases which cause global warming. Population growth is one of the major reasons for global warming. During the past 100 years, the world's population has increased immensely. This in turn leads to massive rise in the greenhouse gas level in the Earth's atmosphere. Occupying farmlands is another indirect cause for the global warming. Due to heavy growth in population, people are constructing houses on farming lands. Industries are also the major contributors of greenhouse gas. Industries produce almost 50% of the total greenhouse gas. Power stations, small and large-scale industries, and processing units are some of the major contributors of greenhouse gas. Transportation is yet another major factor which produces greenhouse gas. As the rise of population, more people travel every day. Car, buses, and trucks create nearly 70% of carbon dioxide gas, thus contributing in the rise of greenhouse gas. Airplanes and train are also not lagging behind in their contribution. As the population grows, people build more houses to live and work. This leads to the construction of new buildings. Construction work and concrete work releases tons of carbon dioxide even before the construction is completed. Excess use of electricity also contributes to the growth of greenhouse gases. Heating, lighting, and air conditioning also create greenhouse gases. Use of electricity is also one of the major reasons for global warming. Forest reduction is another reason which contributes in the growth of global warming. People are cutting forests more and more for their benefits. This also endangers many animals' life. Fearful factors. India is the second most populated country in the world. China takes the first place. Pakistan and Bangladesh take the 6th and 7th place respectively. An astonishing factor is, while you read the sentence around 17 babies will be born around the world. 30 years ago, Mexico City was considered one of the cleanest cities in the world. Presently, Mexico is one of the most polluted cities in the world. A thick layer of smog could be seen wrapping the city. In 1987, a rare toad called golden toad became extinct. This is due to warm temperature. This frog was killed by a disease because of the rise in temperature which spread through its forest habitat.